YouTube, what is good? It is your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am officially back. Y'all already know what it is. I do this almost every week now with the countdowns. I'm gonna record my countdown on these prom nights, blackouts, cap and gowns, whatever these black 11s, Gamma 2.0s are called. I already secured a couple pre-orders, so I'm going to see if my winning streak stays alive. I hope all of you guys that are going for these secure the bag. Also, I wanted to tease this next video. Y'all already seen what I talked about. Y'all know what this tape means. Y'all know what this tape means. Next video. So, anyway, let's get into this countdown. Got my fingers crossed. I wish all you guys luck as well. Let's see what it do. Hey, what's up, y'all? So y'all already know what's about to go down, but I wanted to start a little earlier in the countdown this time. I just wanted to thank all y'all for continuing to come rock with me. Come check out my videos, man. Anybody that's new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment. It's all well appreciated. So we're about 25 seconds away. We're gonna see, we're gonna test this win streak I'm on right now. Shout out to my 10-minute head start gang. Look at that, 10-minute head start. All 3 sites are up. About to be a 10, 9, 8. Are we gonna hit again? 3, 2. Oh, let's see. Ah, there we go. Confirm reservation. Your boy cannot lose. Man, I didn't hit on 2. Let's go to champs. Wow, all 3, guys. You know what? I'm gonna leave this one. I'm gonna pass this one to somebody else. There's no need for me to take this one off the table. Hopefully, me not accepting this reservation allows somebody that might have a 9-minute head start to hit, or somebody else, man, that really wants these. I'm gonna let this one slide. But as y'all can see, 10-minute head starts. What can I say? What can I say? As y'all can see, man, I hit on all 3 on the apps. I know everybody can't afford to get 10 minutes because it's like $300 to get up to 10-minute reservations on each site, on each app. But I hope that all of you guys enjoyed this video. I pray that all of you guys hit on your cap and gowns, whatever. I hope you all hit. Please leave a thumbs up on this video, man. If you like the content, man. If you hit the thumbs up. If you didn't hit the thumbs up, man, just to support your boy, man. Boost me up on YouTube, man, and keep on rocking with me. Until next time, OV!